I'll never forget visiting HMP Eastwood Park as a part of the inquiry that led to this report. I will never forget the Welsh women I met there. The Welsh women who live on the jagged edge of devolution, so disadvantaged, so discriminated against, so damaged by the fact that Wales doesn't have powers over our criminal justice system. In our report, our committee cites and evidences the harm to women arising from the current devolution settlement. We heard from the Governor at Eastwood Park about that average sentence given to women of 42 days. The instance Jenny Rathbone mentioned about a week-long sentence in style prison over Christmas, not just baffling and shameful, but harsh, severe and cruel. This can't be allowed to continue. The report makes several detailed recommendations about the proposed residential women's centre in Wales. Key for Plaid Cymru is that while it can provide a much-needed alternative to the current residential custodial sentences which Welsh women are forced to serve miles away from their families, we must get that greater clarity on the nature of that alternative. It's imperative, in line with the aims of the blueprint, the Corsten report, the expert evidence we heard and the testimony of the women who shared their experiences with us, that this does not replicate the harms of the current situation. Wales's voice must be heard on this. So while the planning process continues, I'd like to hear from the Minister what preparatory work has taken place around recommendations 8, 9 and 10. I would also personally like to thank my fellow committee members, the Chair, the research and clerking team and everyone who gave evidence to our inquiry. And I want to say to the women we met, we heard you. We will not forget you. And as a committee, we will not let your government abandon you on that jagged edge of an inadequate devolution settlement.